welcome back to my vlog. Guess who's with me?
Me.
My hubby. So, ngayon po guys ay pupuntahan po natin ang Anzac Hill dito sa Alice Springs. Titingnan po natin yung kung gaano nga ba ka-dusty ang Alice Springs today kasi merong forecast na dust storm. Let's check this out. Maybe some of you don't have any idea kung ano ba talaga ang dust storm. So, let's go. Come with us. Come with us.
Come with us. Come with us. Oh my gosh. What a star. Come with us. That is an amazing voice.
So, dito na kami sa taas, guys. Honey, why is it that the flag is not fully up there?
It's actually at half mast normally. It's because there's a death or something like that. I honestly don't know.
Oh.
And they're all at half mast at the moment. And there's also our other flag. It's not here. Torres Strait Island flag is gone.
Alice Springs is very dark today because there's a dust storm. But that's how Alice Springs look like up top. And here we are. There's my husband over there. Hello.
That's me. Hello.
Ayun guys, tingnan nyo. Hindi yan siya clouds. They are all dust.
Yeah, it's just dust. You can see the dust swirling around.
Can you wave? So guys, tapos na nga po kami doon sa Anzac Hill. Abby said we're just gonna drive along the block. We'll have a quick look if it's also bad in there. I got my drink with me. This is my favorite drink, guys. Ang sarap-sarap talaga, sobra. Very refreshing. Tapos, ang dami pa niyang vitamins. Kaso nga lang, there's a lot. I don't, how much sugar is in it?
Low kilojoules, not much.
22. Still a lot. But it doesn't matter. Tastes good. Tayo na, guys. Let's go. Guys, while we were chasing storms, na punta kami dito sa parang park ng Alice Springs, isa sa mga park ng Alice Springs. Papakita ko sa inyo, marami silang alagang mga horses. Let's go check it out. Are you going up?
No, I'm just drinking your drink.
Mainit kasi sobra sa labas guys. Diyan lang daw siya, magpa-aircon. Ako na lang mag-picture. Come with me, tingnan nyo naman. Oh, hindi na nga ako nakapag-supply. Hayaan nyo na eh. Hindi naman ako ang pipicturan. Ito namang mga horses. Baliktarin natin yung camera guys. Ayan po sila guys. Yung mga horsey. Ang ganda. At pa din yung ano guys, oh. Dust storm. Makikita nyo pa din. Ang ganda ng mga horsey. Ito lang yung ano, mga ilan sa mga area ng Alice Springs na very green ang grass. That's it. May puti doon na horsey. So, yan na po ang ating pa-vlog today guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Maybe on our road trip with my hubby.
No worries.
Thank you.